start my satisfaction with Vena, they are a very flexible, moldable and scalable software that has allowed us to improve and change our business practices. Some of the major challenges we're facing is we've recently changed from top-down to bottom-up budgeting. So implementing Vena has really helped with smoothing the process, because trying to get budget holders to change to a new software is not the easiest task, especially when they're not always the most tech-savvy people. So we found a lot of them, they came to the software, they had a look and they're, oh, this is Excel, they're nice and comfortable with that. And that was one of the real things that helped us. So one of the biggest challenges coming to Vena was ensuring that all stakeholders had a buy-in for the software. Where we were changing our process from top-down to bottom-up budgeting, this is a lot of stakeholders' first time preparing a budget and using new software. So to prepare for this, we sat down with every individual stakeholder. We showed them this is our new product, gave them a run through, and the overall response was, oh, this is Excel, I'm comfortable with this. This isn't some big new scary complicated program they'll be using. There's something they're sort of using day to day, or even if they barely use Excel, it's fairly easy to pick up. They know of it at least, and they were comfortable from that element. We had about a month of sit-downs going around with each individual stakeholder, seeing their concerns. A lot of it was the same thing, that I've never set a budget before, I've never been a contributor before. And then as soon as we addressed those concerns, showed them how easy it is to use. It was a very smooth process for the budget. We had a consultant who helped us through the implementation. So we'd constantly be going back and forth, different changes, things that didn't work for us. And we were, to be honest, quite picky, and it was helpful that any small change we did need, they were right on hand and update it straight away. So they're very helpful to make it exactly perfect before we could roll out to business. And even once we did roll out, they were checking in to make sure everything was working as it should be. One of the biggest challenges we were facing is the change in our OPEX, our operating expenses. So going from top down to bottom up budgeting, it allowed our budget holders to get a real grasp on their actual costs, and they can be held accountable to their costs rather than their manager saying, this is your budget for the year. They've had no input in it. It could be realistic, it could be unrealistic. We've really given the power to the budget holders through Vena. And this has allowed us to have a real control and grasp on our operating expenditure going into this challenging climate, especially for the energy industry at the moment. The next initiative we're looking to tackle is Power BI integration. So we're currently having the manual process of exporting data and then re-uploading it into our current BI reports. But we'd like to, especially the Vena Insights, the new product, and we believe that could be quite useful for us to have those dashboards and have that fully integrated into Vena as one sort of complete package rather than putting people over here and over there for different reports. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see how that helps us with that.